Krystal Everdeen, and today I want to share with you how I style my crochet projects, starting with this cardigan that I crocheted for 4th of July. I actually really love it. I know it's very bold and bright, but I think that's what makes it amazing, and it is a very unique design, which I absolutely love to pair with a rather plain outfit underneath. Now, I do have a tutorial for this one, and if you followed that tutorial or just watched it, you would remember that I left the white squares blank, right? Well, after the tutorial, I was wearing it for a bit, and I didn't like the fact that the white squares would blend into the white top, so I decided to add some blue stars into the white squares to, make it pop against the white top that I'm going to wear with this cardigan, and I think that was a really good decision. So if you are planning on making this cardigan or have already made it, I would suggest that you add the blue stars in afterwards. I think that it looks great, but even if you decide to leave these squares blank like I did on the back, then I think it looks really cute too. The reason I left the squares blank on the back is because I still like the way that it looks. It just, in the front, I didn't want it to blend into the white top. So yeah, both of them look good. That's why I literally have both of them. Okay, so the next crochet project that I styled is this rainbow crochet top, which has become one of my favorites that I've ever made. I feel like I include this top in practically every single one of my styling videos, just because there's so many different ways you can style it. And yes, it is another kind of bold design because of how colorful it is, but surprisingly there's so many ways that you can style it, and this is how I currently style it. I've been obsessed with cowboy boots this year, and I think that they go really well with like dresses and skirts and stuff, so I paired this crochet top with a plain white skirt and some white cowboy boots, and then added some flair with these heart sunglasses. I actually recently wore this outfit to Palm Springs, and it fit in so perfectly because the hotel we were staying in was also very colorful. So yeah, this is such a fun outfit and I love it. Also, it's very comfortable as well, which is an added bonus. And the next crochet top I am styling is this floral crochet top that I actually made years ago, but this is the only project out of this entire video that I do not have a tutorial for, at least one that is live, because I did make a tutorial for it when I made this, again, years ago, but I never got around to sharing it because I think I got busy and then I forgot, and then years passed by, and I recently found it on my save drive, and I looked at it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is not as great a quality as the videos that I produce now, so should I share it or not? And finally I decided, you know what, I'm going to share it, so stay tuned for that. And maybe within the next year I'll make an updated version, because again, the quality of that video is not as great as the quality of the tutorials that I produce now. But yeah, I'm excited to share it with you because I love the way that this top looks. It's so pretty and the details are absolutely adorable. So the top has red flowers on it, and I really wanted to bring out the red detailing, so I paired the top with this red maxi skirt, which I love wearing maxi skirts during the summertime. They're just the perfect bottoms, I think. And to finish off the outfit, I just added a pair of sandals to again really bring out the summery vibes. And I really love this outfit, definitely one of my favorites. And the next project that I'm going to style is actually not a crochet top, but instead a crochet bag. So I recently shared a tutorial on how to make this floral crochet bag. It's actually not really floral, it's actually a flower. And I think it turned out really cute and surprisingly fits a lot of stuff. I recently took this to one of the events I was invited to, and I was able to fit everything that I needed. And because I used a thicker yarn for this project, it didn't look lumpy when I put something in there, so that is a tip. Use thick yarn for when you're crocheting your crochet bags to avoid it looking too lumpy. But yeah, I do have a tutorial for this, as well as all the other ones that I shared with you, except for the red floral one. I don't have that yet, but I will. Anyway, so I styled this bag with this floral dress that has similar looking flowers on it all over, and then I added some green socks to match the green dress, a green headband to match the green dress, and some white keds to bring out the white in the bag. And I think that this outfit is also really cute. It's a really great springtime / summer outfit, so I thought this was really adorable. And again, I really like this bag, not gonna lie. But yeah, those are all of the outfits that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please get a big thumbs up before you go, and be sure that you check out all of the crochet tutorials for each of the items that I shared with you today. Again, they will be linked in the description box below, except for the one with the red flowers, because that's not out yet. But be sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on it. And in the meantime, I do have plenty of other crochet tutorials ranging from beginner friendly to a little bit more advanced on my channel, so you can go ahead and check those out while you wait. And yeah, be sure to click that red subscribe button if you have not already, so I can see you next time. Bye, and have a magical day.
These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever.